Top 3 Cordless Vacuums Review. Upbeat music. Host, welcome to Top 3, the show where we compare the top 3 products in a specific category and help you decide which one is right for you. Today, we're taking a look at the top 3 cordless vacuums: the Dyson V15 Detect, the Shark IZ362H anti-allergen cordless stick vacuum, and the Tineco Pure One S15 Pro. Image of Dyson V15 Detect. Host, the Dyson V15 Detect is the latest and greatest from Dyson, featuring the new laser dust detection technology that helps you see dust particles you might otherwise miss. It also has a powerful suction, a long battery life, and a comfortable design. Pros: powerful suction, long battery life, laser dust detection, comfortable design. Cons: expensive, limited ports, no touchscreen. Image of Shark IZ362H anti-allergen cordless stick vacuum. The Shark IZ362H anti-allergen cordless stick vacuum is a great option for allergy sufferers with a HEPA filter that captures 99.9% of dust and allergens. It also has a powerful suction, a long battery life, and a self-cleaning brush roll to prevent hair wrap. Powerful suction, long battery life, HEPA filter, self-cleaning brush roll. Cons: can be expensive, limited ports, no touchscreen. Image of Tineco Pure One S15 Pro. Host, the Tineco Pure One S15 Pro is a powerful and versatile cordless vacuum that comes with a variety of attachments for cleaning different surfaces. It also has a long battery life and a self-emptying dust bin. Pros: powerful suction, long battery life, self-emptying dust bin, variety of attachments. Cons: can be expensive, limited ports, no touchscreen. Host: so which cordless vacuum is right for you? If you're looking for the best overall performance, the Dyson V15 Detect is the best option. If you're an allergy sufferer, the Shark IZ362H anti-allergen cordless stick vacuum is a great choice. And if you're looking for a powerful and versatile vacuum with a self-emptying dustbin, the Tineco Pure One S15 Pro is a great option. Upbeat music. Thanks for watching Top 3. We hope this video has helped you decide which cordless vacuum is right for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.